Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia to create social media videos. Yeah, if you want to produce engaging clips quickly without recording yourself, this method is perfect because, honestly, short, polished videos perform much better online, and Synthesia makes it super easy to create them. So first, sign up or log into your Synthesia account. Click Create Video and choose an AI presenter. You can customize their voice, appearance, and even language to fit your brand and social media style. Next, prepare your script. Yeah, concise, punchy text works best for social media, and Synthesia will convert it into a natural-sounding voiceover automatically, saving you time on recording and editing. After that, select a template and vertical or square aspect ratio. Adjusting the format ensures your video fits platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, keeping it optimized for viewers. Also, add captions, quick scene transitions, and visuals. Yeah, captions help engagement since many users watch videos without sound, and visuals make your content stand out in crowded feeds. And yeah, preview your video before finalizing. So when everything looks good, render and download it, ready to post across social media platforms quickly and efficiently. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and formats. Most of the time, using Synthesia for social media videos allows creators to produce professional-looking, attention-grabbing content consistently without a camera. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.